Hello friends, welcome back. In the last video, we learned about VirtualBox and how to install VirtualBox and then how to install Kali Linux. In this video, we are going to learn about CentOS and Ubuntu. These are another two versions of Linux. We call it distros in Linux. So we will see how we can actually download and install them on VirtualBox. So let's begin with CentOS. To download CentOS, we will first go and search CentOS download in Google. Okay, here we can see we can click on download. Click on CentOS stream. We will go for x86-64 package. Click on that and it will start downloading the file for us. It's a big file, it's around 9.1 GB, so we will have to wait for a bit. I will fast forward this video. As you can see, the video has been downloaded now, the CentOS Stream 9. Now I will open the VirtualBox and I will show you how you can install CentOS on VirtualBox. Okay, so now you can see the VirtualBox. Instead of clicking on add, this time I will click on new. Type in the name CentOS. Don't worry, last time we discussed that we are gonna install Ubuntu. We are installing CentOS first and then we are gonna install Ubuntu as well. CentOS is very good for learning purpose, so that's the reason I am installing this for you guys. Just type in the name. We'll have to select the ISO image that we just downloaded. Just navigate to the folder where you downloaded the CentOS file. Click on next. Again next. Let me increase the base memory a bit. Let me make it 8. I want it to work a little faster. Click on next now. Leave the default settings as it is. Click on finish. As you can see, it's currently off, so we will have to turn it on. It's powering up now. We will have to give the path again. So it's already there when you click on the drop down. Mount and retry boot. Okay. Press enter. It's kind of a disk checking. So let it complete. It's currently 8%. So let me fast forward the video. Now as you can see, it's trying to install. It's starting the installer. The disk checking was complete. Installing CentOS is a bit long process. So just bear with me. Let me enlarge that for you. Select English here. English India, I prefer. But you can choose United Kingdom or United States if you want. Click on continue. Okay, the installation destination, just click on that. I will choose the default standard disk, the one we highlighted while we were trying to install it. Okay, now click on done. Root password, on this screen we have to set the root password, otherwise it will not allow us to install. Make sure that you don't forget this password. Click on done. Okay, once again select this one and then click on done. Begin installation now. So it is now creating the directories for Linux while installing the Linux system, the CentOS system. As I mentioned, it is a little long process. The CentOS takes a little longer. Last in the last video, we saw that the Kali Linux was immediately installed because we downloaded the virtual OS package, the VirtualBox image. Here we have downloaded the ISO image. So everything that we need to install will be installed from that ISO file. Nothing is inbuilt. It's still downloading. It's still trying to install. Let's wait for it. Let me fast forward this video. Okay, the installation part is now complete. It's time to reboot the system. Click on reboot system now. Okay, it's rebooting now. It's taking some time, so please bear with me. The reason I decided to install CentOS because it's good for learning purpose. However, whatever you learn on CentOS would be applicable both on Kali and Ubuntu as well. So don't worry about that. Okay, start the setup now. Doesn't matter if you want to turn it off, you can do that. I will leave it open. Click on next. I will skip this section, but you can connect to your online accounts if you want. Let me type in my name as CyberHub. Click on next. Let me type in a password, choose the password. It's case sensitive. Okay, it's all done. No thanks. Let me change the display settings. I will make it 16 is to 9. That's the best configuration we have. So friends, this concludes our video on CentOS and VirtualBox installation. Hope you liked it. As a homework, I would like you to download the Ubuntu software, the Ubuntu Linux system from Ubuntu website. If you face any kind of issue downloading and installing that, just mention that in the comment section and I would definitely help you out. It's quite simple and the process is same as CentOS and Kali Linux. You won't face any kind of issue. Now you are experienced enough to download and install two of the operating systems. So I guess you can download one of your own now. Hope you liked the video. If you do, please press the like button and just don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.